Hi, my name is Elizabeth Maki. I am the recruiter for Semester in Spain, and I'm here to share some information about you, since unfortunately we are not able to be together in person. So this is the roof of our school. It's a beautiful place. We are Semester in Spain, located in Seville, Spain, which is in the southern part of Spain. It's an incredible city and just absolutely enchanting. Why should you study abroad? Well, hopefully you're checking out this video because you're already interested in studying abroad, but studying abroad is such an incredible opportunity that I highly encourage you to take hold of while you are in college and have a lot of resources available to you. It's truly an experience of a lifetime. So our program is for people who are studying Spanish, but typically people who are studying Spanish are also studying a lot of other things. So hopefully your major is represented in this list here, and if it's not, don't worry. We welcome you as well. So what's a day life in the what's a day in the life of a student like in Spain? Well, I want you to imagine that you are living with a host family. You just woke up and your señora has made you tostada y café con leche, and you are going to get ready for school and then walk to class. So you're going to, like many other Sevillians, either walk or bike, and you'll get to cross this beautiful river on your way to school. And if you're really lucky, you'll get to see La Catedral de Sevilla, which is the world's largest Gothic cathedral, home to body parts of Christopher Columbus. So you're going to wind your way through the narrow streets of Sevilla, and eventually you'll end up at our school right here, which is pintado en colores brillantes. And you're going to head to class. You'll walk through these doors. You'll be greeted by Ana Bello. She'll say, "Buenos dias, how are you?" And for a second, you just take a deep breath because that's the first English you've heard in a long time. But then she continues on in Spanish, and you remember, oh yes, we are a Spanish language immersion program, and everything we do here is in Spanish. So then you're going to go to class from about 9 to 1:30 or so, with our incredible professors who are all native to Spain and have a ton of experience. You can gain anywhere from 12 to 18 credits per semester, and we have 2 terms in the summer. Each term is 4 weeks long, and per term you can gain 4 to 6 credits. During those terms, you can take classes like art, history, literature, grammar, and for a variety of different tracks, we have options available to all levels of Spanish speakers. So, what are you going to do after school? Well, you're going to head home y tomar una siesta with your host family, and then you have the whole afternoon ahead of you. So you might decide to take dance lessons with an incredible professor, or go explore the city, and that might include getting coffee, going to a bullfight, a soccer game, shopping, or perhaps meeting with your intercambio, who's your Spanish language learning partner. They are someone from Spain who wants to learn English and you want to learn Spanish. It's a great opportunity to meet together and practice language learning and to get involved in the culture. You might also participate in Encuentro, which is a time of fellowship that we have about once a week. It's led by our amazing student ministry coordinator, and it's a chance to speak English in the school, the only chance that you'll get during the week, as well as learn and grow your faith, because we are a faith-based program as well. We also have a great option called Acción Solidario, which is an opportunity to volunteer and for a variety of different programs that we have partnerships with in the city. We highly value experiential learning. So you're going to take what you're learning in the classroom and go experience it in real life through group excursions. We go to places like Toledo, Córdoba, Ronda, La Sahara, and in those excursions, you're going to talk about what you're learning in the classroom, but with our professors and in real life. So it's an incredible experience. Don't just take my word for it though. Find out for yourself. Go explore Spain. Visit our website to learn more about it. Or check out our YouTube page and click on this video to hear about other students' experience. In the meantime, if you have any questions, my name is Elizabeth Maki, once again, Here's my email address and my cell phone number, and I look forward to being in contact with you. Thanks again.